Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you my final thoughts and my review on all the JEVA products that I own. If you're wondering, JEVA is an Indian skincare company. It's a very affordable brand. It's a skincare brand basically. If you want to know more about this brand and the products that I own, I have a couple of items like vitamin C serum, some masks, rose water hair oil and all of that. If you want to know more about all the products that I have, please keep on watching. Before we begin, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell notification so that you do not miss out any updates from my channel. So let's begin. If you guys are wondering what's on my face, I've actually filmed a get ready with me on this look that I'm sporting. Please wait for that video if it's not up. If it's up, I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. First off, JEVA is an excellent, affordable Indian skincare brand. You can find this brand on Amazon, Nykaa. I haven't seen it on Purple. I guess you can find it just on Amazon and Nykaa. I usually purchase all my JEVA products from Nykaa. I'm not sure if they have a website. If JEVA has a website, I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. You do not have to worry about that. So let's start with the products. I have like around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have like 5 products from the brand JEVA. So let's start with one by one. First, let's get the hair product out of the way. Rest of them are all for face. So the hair product I have is this is the JEVA onion hair oil. I found out that onion helps in onion hair oil helps in hair growth and all that. So this was like the cheapest one that I could find in the market, and JEVA, for a matter of fact, it's a good brand. It actually was on discount. This retails for about 500 rupees, but I found this on a discount and I got it for about 375 rupees or something on Nykaa. They are always on discount. JEVA products are always on discount. Do check out Nykaa quite often to find these on discount. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. It comes in a cardboard box and it says 100% pure. It has all its claims, which I'm not going to bore you with. We know what an onion hair oil claims. It reduces hair fall, dandruff and all that. I have both hair fall and dandruff issues, so that's the main reason why I got this oil. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. It has a very nice cap and it has a nice sturdy pump. This pump is quite sturdy. I love using this pump to pump out my oil because it's very convenient and it's not it's not chip. So I like this pump on this bottle. It's a very good quality pump. This has a mild fragrance. It does not have that strong onion fragrance, but I did not find this effective in reducing hair fall or dandruff. But this was a good massage oil. I usually mix this in with my castor oil that I have to apply it onto my scalp. I use these two oils on my scalp, and for my lengths I started using coconut oil of late. This oil is a nice oil for massage. If you're looking for reducing like hair fall or something, I don't think it does that, but it's a very good hair oil. Maybe I have to use it more to find out whether it actually does reduce my hair fall or if it does reduce my dandruff. So I really like this oil and I would definitely repurchase this in case I run out of this, which seems to be like an impossible task. I never seem to run out of this. I've used up only a very little amount, but I've been using it for a very long time. Okay, the second product that I'm going to be talking about is this one. This is the JEVA rose water. This says it's steam distilled pure rose water and it's 50 ml. This actually retails for about rupees 300, I believe. Yeah, it retails for about rupees 300, but I found this on a discounted price for about 100 rupees. That's the only reason I picked it up. So this is how the rose water looks like. It has like 2 caps right here. It has one cap right here and another cap right here for the spray part, and One thing that I do not like about this rose water is that it has too much of rose fragrance. I've used the Kama Ayurveda rose water. It did not have that much of a strong fragrance. This does have a strong fragrance, but it's a very nice quality rose water. I've used this like so many times. I usually use it with my ACV. ACV, if you're wondering, it's apple cider vinegar. I use it on my face. That has a very bad pungent smell. So to take that smell off, I use this as another toner on top of my ACV. So it's a very good rose water if you're looking for a rose water, and if you do find this on a discounted price for about 100 rupees, do give this a shot. So let's move on to the next product. So the next two products are both face masks. So I found out the brand JEVA because of one of these masks only. I saw it on YouTube, like I saw it all over YouTube. Every beauty blogger was using this JEVA mask. I'm talking about the JEVA charcoal mask. Okay, the JEVA charcoal mask. Basically, charcoal reduces the oil secretion from your face. It exfoliates, it pulls out all the gunk out of your face, and it refreshes your face. So that's the job of charcoal. It says activated charcoal, and it also has argan oil, which provides extra nourishment to your skin. The one thing that I would recommend out of all the products that I own, the two things actually which I'm about to talk in the next coming clips. So two things that I would recommend is this one and the one I'm about to talk about. So this is the charcoal mask. I would definitely recommend this because as soon as I apply this and I take it out, I feel that my skin is so refreshed. I feel that all the dirt out of my skin is attracted by this mask, and it's like removed completely. I feel so squeaky clean. So do give this mask a shot, and the consistency of the mask is also like very soft and nice. It's obviously grey in color because it's charcoal. You can actually see how much I've used it. It actually has a mild fragrance. Yeah, it does have a mild fragrance, which is pretty good. It's not like those irritating sort of fragrances. I do love this mask. As you can see, I've used quite a bit of it, quite a lot of it. So do give this a try. You can actually wear this mask for about 10 to 15 minutes. After it dries, you can wash it off to experience clean, squeaky clean, smooth and refreshed skin. So I would definitely ask you to go ahead and purchase this mask. The next thing is also a mask. This is again by JEVA. It's the caffeine and cocoa mask with argan and aloe. This is 100 grams. That one is also 100 grams. Oh, by the way, I did not tell you the prices of these masks. It retails for about 450 rupees, but yeah, it's about for 450 rupees, but you can always find this on a discount. I got both of these on a discounted price for about 299 or 250 on Nykaa. So please do watch these sites. They do have discount on JEVA products. So this is the next mask. This is the JEVA CHOCO caffeine face mask with argan oil. It is 100 grams. Chocolate is an ingredient that helps with pigmentation. It helps in improving the collagen production, which in turn reduces wrinkles. And caffeine, it provides natural glow to your skin. It refreshes your skin, and it's caffeine is a powerful antioxidant for that matter. So that will obviously help you with the anti-aging and all that. So the ingredients are very good, and it also comes with aloe and argan oils. This I haven't used a lot. I have only used the charcoal mask a lot. I've used this for about only twice or thrice, and my sister and my aunt also used this. This does have a chocolatey fragrance to it, which I do like, which I do enjoy. The only thing I wish was that when it came in, it kind of spilled a little bit. So I wish the packaging was a little better, but I love the product. So that's what matters for me. I do not care about the packaging that much. So that's another face mask. Out of these two, if you want to buy just one, I would recommend the charcoal one, because you do feel that your face gets like supremely clean after using this. So I would definitely ask you to go with this one if you want to buy only one of these. If you want to buy both of these, go ahead, buy it. There's also another variant, which is the green tea one or something. I want to try that one as well, so I'm waiting to try that. I'll let you know after I try that. So the last and final product, this is the star of the show. Out of all these things, two things I would ask you to buy from all of these. One is the charcoal mask, which I've already said, and the second one is this. This is the JEVA Vitamin C Serum. Obviously, everybody knows what a vitamin C serum is for. Vitamin C, it's a powerful antioxidant. It helps with anti-aging. I believe this also has hyaluronic acid. Yeah, hyaluronic acid basically nourishes your skin. It provides so much moisture to your skin. It basically holds all the moisture onto your face and keeps it hydrated and fresh and all that good things. This is a 50 ml bottle and it says anti-aging and brightening serum. Obviously, vitamin C, it's meant for anti-aging and brightening purposes. First, I was using this in the night, and then I started using it in the morning. I'll tell you why. So this is how the bottle looks like. Again, I wish the packaging was slightly better, because it's a little, you know, not sturdy, I would say, and it comes with a dropper, so that's a good thing. This is how the consistency looks like. This serum has a sort of watery consistency. The first time I applied it, I instantly felt that you know, my face was glowing and all those good things. So obviously, when you apply a serum, your face is obviously gonna glow. Apart from making my face dewy and glowy, when I applied it the next day morning, when I was first using it in the night, the next day morning I felt that my skin had a glow from within. So I think it's because of this serum only. The main thing which I love about this serum is that it magically reduced the texture that I had on my forehead. I had teeny tiny bumps in texture on my forehead. It has reduced those drastically. It's only because of this serum that all those bumps disappeared from my forehead. So this says it has 20% of vitamin C, and the reason why I started using it in the morning is that, like, after toning I use this immediately, and after that I go in with my moisturizer, and then on top of that I go in with my sunscreen. The reason why people are suggesting you to use a vitamin C in the morning is that it provides better protection from the sun. It helps your sunscreen work better. If you use this in conjunction with your sunscreen, it helps in avoiding sunburns, avoiding the bad effects from all the UV rays that are coming from the sun. So I feel that this is an excellent product, and I would highly recommend you to buy this. It retails for about 550 rupees or something, but again, you can always find this on a discounted price. I got this for 350 rupees. I believe that this has a 30 or 35 ml bottle as well. I would suggest you to buy a smaller bottle, but only because of the reason this can go quite bad really quickly. You have to store this in a dark place, and also you have to kind of shake it up every time you use it. So highly recommended if you're starting out on vitamin C serums, which I am. I would suggest you to buy this because it's not only affordable, but it also works.
I'm so sorry I forgot to film an outro for this. So if you enjoyed my really quick review on all the JEVA products that I own, please hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.